What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some crispy, oh so delicious, well seasoned up salmon nuggets. Guys, these are off the charts, so amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to try them. Perfect for dipping into your favorite sauce. Man, these are good. I'm about to show you how it's done. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. To begin, we're gonna grab our skinless salmon, and I'm gonna go ahead and slice this bad boy up into some nice size cubes. We want our nuggets to be nice and hefty, so we're gonna cube it up pretty large, guys. It's up to you how big you want your nuggets to be, but this is how I chop mine up. Next, we're gonna move on to our dry ingredients to, you know what, season up our salmon to perfection, because you know the motto by now, guys. I know you know the motto by now. Ain't no bland salmon over here whatsoever at all. We about to go crazy. We is not about to be stingy. We about to be heavy-handed, man. That right hand a lot more heavier than the left, and we're gonna season up these things proper, guys. Next, you're gonna grab your seasoned up flour. This is how I season mine up, as well as an egg wash. I got myself about 2 eggs beaten up, as well as a little bit of milk in there. And you know how it goes. You're gonna grab a couple of your nuggets, dip it into that little egg mixture, shake off the excess, and then drop it in your seasoned up flour, guys. And then you want to toss it in your flour, get everything well coated, and kind of continue this process until all of your nuggets are well coated up, guys. So all of our nuggets are well coated up in that flour. You want to go ahead and get you a pot, get you some oil, get it nice and hot. I got mine so about a medium high, and you're gonna drop these bad boys in there. I cook my nuggets for about, I would say, 7 to 8 minutes, pretty much until they're nice and golden brown. And yes, I say this all the time. I cannot wait for you to try this. You know why I say that? Because I love it. I'm telling you, I absolutely love it when you guys come back in the comments and telling me how, man, I made this for my husband, or I made this for my girlfriend, my in-laws, or whatever, whatnot, and they absolutely loved it. That makes me feel so awesome when I hear that awesome feedback from you guys. I love it when you love it. You know what I'm talking about? So this is when they're pretty much done. As you can see, once my camera focuses in, we have a nice, beautiful, crispy, golden brown crust on our salmon nuggets, guys. I cannot wait to dig in at this point, man, because they're smelling so amazing. You want to go ahead and get that out, you know, get your second batch going if you have a second batch or whatnot. And guys, look at this. Look at this. This is the end result. This is what I'm talking about. This is well seasoned up, proper, so delicious, so amazing, guys. If you haven't had salmon nuggets before, what rock do you live under? Get from under that rock and get with the program. Get you some salmon nuggets in your life. These are great for the kiddos as well. This is great for everybody. I mean, these Jones are just fire emoji. Go ahead and drop it in the comments for your boy, because yes, these are amazing. It is a whole nother stratosphere flavor, like I always say, and like I always know, because you know I'm gonna bring it to you the right way, guys. Go ahead and follow these directions to the T so you can enjoy these bad boys with your boy. And last but not least, I gotta give a special shout out to all of our channel members. Really appreciate all your love and support. If you want to know more about our channel memberships, hit that join button down below to find out more about it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Deuces.